Hello everybody. As promised, I came back and will attempt to shoot some close-ups of these images that I printed yesterday. Again, this is Pro Luster and this is the Hahnemuhle Fine Art Pearl. Let me see if I can get down as low as possible and you can see the detail. And possibly, but I don't think you'll be able to see the actual paper texture, but you can see how gorgeous this turned out. Now, of course, this will not do it justice. If you were here to see them, you would actually see what I'm talking about. This is quite a nice paper. Now, I'm going to go ahead and begin to print similar images, both in color and then black and white conversions, using the other 7 varieties that the sample pack came with. I want to go ahead and show you side by side. Left is Hahnemuhle, right is Pro Luster. Now there's a slight difference in color rendition, and you should be able to possibly detect that. I'm not sure. But let me zoom right down to the dress region here. And I hope this is steady enough for you. I think you can see part of the surface texture. Again, this will not do justice the nuances of that dress, the tonalities that I was able to reproduce with this paper. And of course, OEM inks on the Pro One. Here is the Pro Luster rendition. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the black and whites. Okay, same as before. The left is Hahnemuhle Fine Art Pearl. The right is Pro Luster. The difference that I see now with the black and whites is that the Hahnemuhle is a little bit tiny bit warmer. Maybe it is the paper base. And when compared to the tonalities of the Pro Luster, this seems a lot cooler and very, very neutral. Both produce wonderful results on the Pro One, as you can see. Let's get up real close here as best as we can. And I want you to see maybe some of the details of the dress. Remember, this is a texture paper, and yet you can see so much detail captured and preserved. So this is quite a good paper for most general photography, specifically for anything with people, portraiture, that sort of a category of images. I'm going to go ahead and with the other 2 sheets that I have left on the other pack, I'm going to attempt to print a landscape and see how that works out. This is the Pro Luster. Let's get up close, see what we can capture here. Again, it just seems that the Hahnemuhle Fine Art Pearl seems to capture detail just a little bit sharper. I don't know if it's just some kind of illusion, but to me, that's what it seems like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these close-ups. It's not often that I'm able to shoot these. This is with my other camera that allows me to get up real close without any distortion. And so I hope you enjoy these side-by-side comparisons. All right, so please subscribe, share, and like. Until the next time, and we will be testing the rest of the paper types. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.